In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a contract in Zoho Sign. So whether you're signing a business agreement, an employee contract, or any other document, Zoho Sign makes the process quick and secure. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho Sign and already log in with your account. Now on the left panel, click the documents and then select a sign a document to upload a contract that requires your signature. Unfortunately, I don't have a sample, but assumingly we have. So click upload file and select the contract from your device, cloud storage, or Zoho Docs. And then once uploaded, click next to proceed. And then if the document already has signature fields assigned to you, click on them to sign. And then if not, select add fields, then signature, and then place it where you need to sign. And you can choose to draw, type, or upload your signature. And then double check the contract details to ensure everything is correct, and then click finish to complete the signing process. And that's it. That's how you sign a contract in Zoho Sign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.